You're beautiful, like diamonds in the sky.
Dude.
Oh. Well, hello there, and
Yay.
welcome back.
To the second chapter of Battleblock Theater. Wait, what?
Yeah, get good.
We got new. Well, I got a new weapon.
New stuff.
And a new face.
And I'm a
which is
pirate.
fucking
Arr.
crazy. Like,
I'm
what
going
the
to
fuck am I
sail the
even supposed
seven
to be?
seas. Oh! Now you sleep with the fish.
You scared me, dog.
Oh. How are you in? Still? Oh! Oh! Backfire! Retaliation!
Wait, what?
Oh, this. I'm not sure what's happening. Oh! Oh!
Hey.
He's firing the
No, my. Hey, come here, come here.
What? Oh, oh, okay, yes. Oh,
Yeah.
well, it doesn't matter because we. Oh, you can step on the balloony and drop it. Boop.
The balloony. The balloony baloney.
I can just knife him. 360 no scope. Oh, he's like wrecking us real bad.
Got it. What the? Okay.
I still don't know how hard these things work. Oh, you need to be careful with the spikes. Yes.
Yes, maybe you're right.
Of course I'm right. I'm a pirate. You see strats?
Okay, I don't think that should have worked.
But it did.
And now I'm trapped. Okay, I'm dead.
And that's even better. Go over there. Yes. Oh. Okay, we made it.
That was weirdly easy.
Shoom. Oh. How are you supposed to get over here? Oh, okay.
With your help, you fucker.
Never. This pirate
shit.
sails alone.
What?
A bread?
Toaster? Toaster is the new enemy? Oh, we're burning! We're burning!
Why did it burn?
Oh!
Don't kill him!
Oh, it burns when you kill him. Okay, sorry.
Just get around them.
Sorry, Toast.
Oh, diamond thing. Oh, portal. Ew. Get on the portal. Okay, there's like. Can I kill this thing? No, I can't.
I don't think there's anything there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that was
Wait,
really
this
easy.
is way too easy.
That's weirdly easy. So we're making progress. Now I can actually believe us in the dictionary.
You see, I told you.
Oh my god.
How to make progress for dummies, and there are you.
Yeah, I'm in the dummies version. As you can clearly see.
Oh. Bro,
What?
don't ask me, I... This is awesome! I want to do it again! Oh man, how can I...
Fuck.
Wait, maybe if I... Okay. Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm doing it all over again!
Okay.
Oh, it's amazing. Oh, well, that's not so amazing. Oh, hey, how did I get over here?
Through the magic of Disney.
Wait,
Dude.
not again. I went to bounce.
Okay, you stay there. I'm gonna actually accomplish something.
Bounce. Bounce.
Oh, they have the
Bounce.
What?
That's a really
What do I
odd
have?
sound.
Not like it yet, but it's kind of like a pillar. Ah, you have to. Okay, it's kind of like a Flappy Bird kind of.
You're
shit.
so bad.
Oh fuck. Well, the thing is, I didn't know how it works. I
It's
thought,
like a one-time a one-time jet thing.
but kind of isn't because it was.
Up. Okay, never mind.
What
Okay,
the fuck
yes.
was that? Okay.
No! We missed! Get it!
This is way easier.
Disregard your life!
Acquire diamonds.
Okay, so maybe we'll pass the entire chapter in one episode. Yay!
This is actually going fast, but we didn't get a gem.
I told you we were going too fast. We missed some bounces over there.
Well,
Just
Oh.
Caliwagi.
Hollywog.
Wait, I think it's up, to the way up. Yes, there's
Yeah.
the golden yarn.
Gold yarn, and now,
Shut up. I don't like it.
well,
Because you die a lot.
well, you killed me for a
No,
great amount of
you
time.
die without my help.
Okay, yeah, I actually did. And I
You see?
actually did.
You are
Oh,
nothing.
They can spawn me immediately.
Nothing without me. Oh, crap. I really love this gun. Like, boop. Oh, cat! Drown cat! Oh, I just saved my... Oh, get dunked!
Oh, don't.
No, but I don't hit into the water.
Oh, get it. Like,
Oh, see? And now... Oh, wait, I missed the safe bounce
fuck.
and really... Oh, no! Why am I missing it? I just want to... You see? Bouncing a safe
Oh
environment.
yeah, super safe, man.
Well, it worked once.
Once.
That's all you need.
Once. I highly doubt that.
Oh,
Oh,
God bless.
God bless diamonds.
You're beautiful, like diamonds in the sky.
Dude!
Oh,
Careful about the copyright claim. We
Uh,
know they can get a bitch. Where's
yeah,
the fair use? YouTube, I'm scared.
YouTube ones. Yeah!
I am so sad right now.
Oh, wait. How do we get up? Wait, let me.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
Eesh. Okay, now. I think I will. Oh!
What? Oh, I'm actually at the exit.
Oh, okay, no.
Oh, wait,
we need to do like. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, wait, and there's
And
like.
there's something like here. Okay, now we covered everything. Let's go.
I'm covering fire, covering fire. Launch me up, fam.
And just get to the exit. I
No.
guess.
Leave no man behind. That actually didn't work. I was hoping like for.
I don't know if this is the answer. Yar.
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, now yes. Okay, no. Wait.
Just get to the exit,
Yeah.
please.
I refuse. No, I can't refuse anymore. Okay, so now we wait.
Yeah, I don't know how it was supposed to be.
Maybe it was supposed to be like this.
Maybe it's kind of weird that, like, only you get to go to the exit.
Well, that's because I'm the good one and you are the crappy one. Haven't you realized?
Didn't have to put it that way.
But that is the real way. Oh. Oh, you,
Correct.
360.
Correct.
No.
360 into the door.
That was more like a 720. And this is like, ooh,
Oh, but
ooh.
battery.
No, it's like a movable block.
Just a movable block? It looks kind of like a battery. Maybe it's going to be a battery later.
No. You can't stay. Oh, apparently they can't stay there. Oh,
Just keep it there. Yeah. No. Keep. Yeah. Easy.
no. Oh, that's one. Oh,
Hey,
okay.
why did I spawn with you? I already have the checkpoints.
Oh,
Did you fucking block there?
nah, man, I'm over here. Clearly, I'm the good one.
Clearly.
Don't you see? Don't you see where I'm at? And where you ain't
You're
at?
all the way back there.
Shoom.
Wait, what?
Oh.
There was actually an agenda. Okay.
Okay, I got the gem.
No.
Oh, all me.
Hey,
Yes.
come here, come
No.
here.
You see, I can do this, I can do this, and then I can do this.
Come here, come
You
here.
see, I'm awesome.
Come here. Oh, sorry.
No!
Like,
You wanted to kill me!
I thought this like corner
No!
was a secret.
No
because the last
excuses!
corner that looked like that was a secret.
Oh, look, it's the shrimp again! Hello, Shrimpy Bird! How are you today? No! Come back here! Oh,
Today's episode is brought to you by Shrimpbird.
um,
I don't know what could that be? Like
no,
an insurance policy?
I was thinking more like a motto, like, oh yes, we are shrimp and we fly.
What?
I don't know, I'm just,
Like we're shrimp and we fly. What?
yes. Oh! I actually sniped him! And I died. Oh, thank you for getting me my gems. I mean my gems, God. Oh, so close, too greedy. No, not again.
Good break.
Oh my God, this
Do we have? No, we don't have.
the nerf
it's
gun
here.
is blocking.
It was just there. That was fucking easy. The
Uh,
golden was just waiting,
yeah,
like on the side of the exit. That was
you were waiting
kind of
for
weird.
me, not for you. You
But I
cheetah.
got it.
You
No,
cheetah.
I got it.
You should get a cheetah
got it.
head because you're a
I got
cheetah.
it. No, I got it. So fuck you. So yeah, progress, I guess. Today's episode is also brought to you by Progress.
No,
By
I
Obama.
missed.
I guess.
Hey, mama. Oh. Is there something over here? Oh,
No, but
oh,
it's wrong.
ooh. It's nothing quite,
Wait, what's this?
nothing
It looks weird. I thought it might
like your
have-
face. Oh,
You have
ooh,
to
got
remind
him.
me.
Ooh, got him. Oh, Ultra Dunks. I love when this happens. Get over there, get the gem. No! Pick me up! Wake me up!
Wake me up inside. Okay.
No, I don't know how the rest of the song goes. Oh!
Save
crap.
me!
Save
I
me!
just know you have to fucking shout save me.
Of course, that's like the only reason to sing that song. Because you want. No! Don't spend yourself? Okay. I got you. Oh.
Do you?
Ish. Ha! See? Okay, now we get to this. Oh, wait, we get to this. Oh, we get to this. Oh, we get to this.
Come
Oh,
on, man.
we get to this. Oh, come on, stop it already. It's looking like the what is it? Simpsons? Oh,
Wait, what?
trick shot.
What even was that?
MLG. Do you even know it to face? Oh, snipes.
Oh, wait, what?
Snipes! Oh, you see, I'm a
I
god
killed
in
myself.
this game. Oh, snipes! Psych! Oh, now we're never leaving this place. I kind of blocked that in the. Oh my god. No.
Wreck. Oh,
Oh,
wreck.
well done! Oh, you spawned there? Why would you spawn there? No! Not again! How can I remove that thing? Oh! I actually like
Wait,
slide
what?
under it.
What?
Slide it up!
I was gonna, but
Slide it up!
Just now it's
Oh.
too low. Thank
Whoops! There's no. Oh my god. Okay, now we are.
you. Look at this, climb all the way over here. No! I just spawned all the way over
Oh,
there. What the fuck?
oh,
Why
fuck.
did you get to the exit? No, don't.
The gem! The gem! Get the gem!
Oh!
Oh. Okay, that was
That was really
Pretty
close.
weird.
Well,
Still,
Like-
progress.
I don't know if the checkpoints work because I get the checkpoints, then I get like sent back, and then you get to the checkpoint.
But look at
when you
these!
respawn.
5 levels in 1 level!
One episode.
Episode!
5 levels in 1 level.
Progress! Appreciate it! You loyal!
You smart.
That means it's not for. Oh, wait! No! No! Why you took it down? Oh, we actually can jump with it. Okay, never mind. It's okay. I forgive you. You poor children.
Did you just call me multiple children?
No, a poor children.
Children, the plural?
No. In singular.
Child?
Like one children.
One children?
Yeah, not many children because that would be kind of weird. You can't be many children. You can be one of. You can be like, oh,
In
that's
1975, I was born as multiple children.
no. One children. You were born as a children of your mom. That's a singular use of children.
I think
Oh, what?
In
A
19
children of the sun.
in 1970,
A
I was
children-
born as a singular children.
Wait, how do? Okay, I think
Somehow,
I think we are kind of out of time. You children of the time.
yeah, we are.
But before I'm going to get you.
No. Hey, I actually survived.
Oh,
You didn't.
no!
Yeah, that's progress.
Why does a parrot drown? That's kind of stupid.
Next time. Or not to play. Bye.
Screw you.